see if anything shows up today. It's super hazy. Look at this. The whole sky is covered up. Pretty gross. Been a few days, and the sky finally is clearing up a bit. Got this subject above me here. I had an object pop up on Christmas Eve at night. Hit it with the psionics, but could have been a satellite. I was just checking out cameras. Anyone got any suggestions? Let me know. Had a nice Canon before. I'm looking at Canons again, but I also did have a Sony a few years back that I liked, and so yeah, I'm trying to figure out what would be best for my budget. Hopefully we'll get that going soon. Whoops. Tweak the camera there a bit. This thing is moving. It's headed south. I got the camera sideways. And speaking of sideways, there's a video I had uploaded that I'm gonna re-upload because it came out sideways. Probably throw a little audio on it, some music or something. Just for the record. So yeah, we took a couple days off of the shop. We're back at it. So I was sitting here just checking out some videos on cameras. I was just briefly looking around. I couldn't tell much going on. I looked straight up and boom, there it was. So hopefully some more pop out today and see what the activity is like here. There goes Grandpa and another very sweet lady here who lives down the block. It's really cool. Anyway, we'll keep watching. Let's see what else happens. Several objects. I see 3 so far. And they are moving. Check for any more. There's a 4th one at the bottom there. They're moving at a pretty good pace. I am panning. There's the ice cream man. keep them all on screen here. They're headed the same direction, but in a different position in the sky as the object earlier. You'll see in the clip before this. Interesting how those top two on the right are very close to each other. They seem to be blinking on and off. Very much like the objects the night in Pasadena. Kind of had that blinking effect. I'm twisted almost all the way around here in my seat, so I'm gonna be losing them here soon. Like a possible flyby there, black object. Not sure if it was a bird or not. And there they go. That was a good one. Check around for anything else. They've been heading that way. Lots of that today. Earlier today, you'll see in the first clip, you couldn't see anything. It was just all looked overcast, the whole sky. Now that it opened up, I'm able to see something, so that was just a little before 4 o'clock. One earlier was about an hour and a half ago, maybe 2.